Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. To do this, go and open Facebook application on your phone, and once you open it, click on this icon on the top right corner on these three horizontal lines. So click on this icon on the top right corner, and now we should click on this gear icon on the top right corner also. Once you click on this gear icon, click on this section, account center, and now here in the account settings section, you should click on personal details, then click on account ownership and control, and after that click on deactivation or deletion. Choose the account that you want to delete, and now click on delete account if you want to delete it permanently, or click on deactivate account if you want to deactivate it temporarily. So I'm going to click on delete account, then click on continue, and you should know that by clicking on continue, you will also delete your other additional Facebook profiles like the pages, for example. So here I'll click on continue again. Now you'll have to choose the reason why you want to delete your account. I will choose the first option, then click on continue, then click on continue after that, and now here it will show you here this page. You just have to scroll down till you find continue, then click on continue right here, and after that you'll have to enter your password just to make sure that you are the one that who want to delete the account. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.